Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then scroll all the way down to find special access, and here scroll down to find install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher next to it. As you can see right now, the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer and they are not safe, so you actually may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And now the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.